Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download WordPress in your local computer. So first head over to google.com, head over to the first website. Now just here click on Get WordPress, top left bar. Click on Download WordPress 6.9.1. So we make sure you have a stable thread connection. After that, extract the files you just downloaded and click on Install. After successful installation, head over to your WAMP server and add the PHP files in www folder in WAMP server. And in this way, your WordPress is successfully installed in your local computer. You should have a very good understanding of PHP and MySQL versions to deeply understand WordPress. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share.